In this question, the principle provides that Article 32 of the Constitution of India provides that all the persons shall have the right to move the Supreme Court for enforcement of Part 3 rights by way of appropriate proceedings, right? Now, Part 3 of the Indian Constitution lay down the fundamental rights. Article 300A, which falls under Part 12, provides that no person shall be deprived of his property save by the authority of law, right? Now, what are the facts? The facts provide that X had acres of barren land in the remotest part of the state Y. State Y formulated a developmental plan which involved building state highways for better connectivity. State Y enacted legislation for land acquisition with fair compensation for the purpose of smooth implementation of its developmental plans. Now, one of the proposed state highways, that is number 765, was planned in such a way that it would require acquisition of excess land. Y sought compulsory acquisition of land under the Act and offered to pay a fair compensation price for the same. X challenged this law under Article 32 of the Constitution of India, right? So in this question, the correct answer is B, that is X shall not succeed in his action challenging the law through the petition under Article 32. The reason why B is the correct answer is because if we read the principle, we get to know that Article 32 provides to all the persons right to move to the Supreme Court for the purpose of enforcement of the rights under Part 3 of the Constitution, right? Now, this Article 32 is excisable only for the enforcement of fundamental rights conferred by Part 3 of the Constitution. Further, Article 300A is not a part of Part 3 rights, right? And hence the Supreme Court in this case cannot be approached under Article 32 of the Constitution of India, right? So again, B is the correct answer. Simple. The reason simply was that by virtue of Article 32, the rights under Part 3 can be enforced. However, the right which has been violated over here does not belong to Part 3 of the Constitution of India, and hence the petition cannot be made before the Supreme Court, right? Hence, X shall not succeed in his action in challenging the law through the petition under Article 32.